Girl, you want to me all that I want.
How? Ano ang senyo? Nakanini kayo, ano?
Hey, what's up mga lodi natin dyan? Good morning at kumusta? So for today's video mga idol, tara panoorin natin ang isang video courtesy by Soundbox Music. So 196 kinapos lang mga idol. Ay supportahan po natin dito sa kanyang video Love Song Do It Medley, Iba Doron and Bonifacio Salobre. So let's go mga idol, panoorin kung gaano nga ba kalupit itong dalawa sa kanilang duet. $21 million lang po ito mga idol. 3 years ago ang kanilang duet song. Grabe. Always, Destiny, and Forever ang kakantahin nila mga idol.
Soundbox Music. Girl, you want to me all that a woman should be, and I dedicate my life to you always.
Wow.
A love like yours is rare. It must have been sent from up above, and I know you'll stay this way for always.
And we both know
Ang galing.
that our love
Grabe. Ang galing.
will grow and forever it will be you and me. Ooh, you're like the sun, chasing all of the rain away. When you come around, you bring brighter days. You're the perfect one for me, and you forever will be, and I will love you so for always. Come with me, my sweet, let's go make a family, and they will bring us joy for always.
Oh boy, I love you so. I can't find enough ways to let you know that you can be sure I know for always. And we
Both know that our love will grow.
Ang sarap pakinggan mga idol. Masarap. Ayun nga mga idol, no? Grabe.
It will be
Galing ng boses nila.
you and me. Ooh, you're like the sun, chasing all of the rain away. When you come around, you bring brighter days.
Oh boy, I love you so. I can't find enough ways to let you know, but you can be sure I know for always. What if I never knew?
Goosebump!
What if I
Ito naman nga mga idol, ito ay
found
Destiny.
and never
Grabe.
have this feeling in my heart?
Wow.
How did this come to me? I don't know how you found me, but from the moment I saw you, deep inside my heart I knew that baby you're my destiny. You and I were meant to be.
boses nila mga idol.
Give my love until the end of time.
But forever was just a word,
Just a word.
something I'd only heard about. But now you're always there for me when you say forever. I believe, baby, you're my destiny. You and I were meant to be.
With all my heart and soul.
I give my love to have and hold.
And as far as I can see, you were always meant to be my destiny.
Boss pa mga idol.
Oh,
Ang galing, grabe.
Baby, all we need is just a little faith. 'Cause baby, I believe love will find a way.
Wow! Grabe, ang galing at napakasarap sa tenga pakinggan mga idol. So, pangalawang kanta nila mga idol. Let's go!
We've gone so far to leave them all behind. I wonder why.
Grabe.
why did you go away and left me all alone? No words can say my love to stay. You and I with moments left to
Moments left to share. You and I, we can make it anywhere. You and I, we belong in each other's arms. There can be no other love. Now I know we can have it all forever.
Grabe naman ang boses na to.
We can be together once again.
Forevermore we'll stay and love this way, no matter what they say. Until the end,
You and I with moments left to share.
you and
Galing.
I, we can make it anywhere. You and I, we belong in each other's arms. There can be no other love. Now I know we
Nakakailab ang
could
boses na.
have it all forever. Now I know we could have it all forever.
Now I know we can have it all.
Forever.
Wow! Ang galing!
And I love you so
Grabe ang ating love song duet medley dito kay Eva Duron and Bonifacio Salobre. Grabe! Nakaka-miss mga idol ang kanilang boses. Talagang halimaw sa kantahan ng dalawang ito. Talagang swak na swak ang kanilang duo mga idol. Napakalupit. Wala akong masabi kundi amazing. Napakaganda, nakaka-inlove ang boses nila mga idol. Please, supportahan po natin ang YouTube channel ni Soundbox Music mga idol. Grabe, nakaka-miss po. So, wala akong masabi kundi great, perfect. Talagang isa ito sa mga malupit na doo na pakinggan ko mga idol. So, kayo dyan mga idol, ano masasabi nyo sa kanilang performance? Please comment down below mga idol para pasuportahan po natin at mapag-usapan ang inyong mga komento. Grabe, ang sarap sa tenga, nakakainlab ang kanilang boses. Sarap, ulit-ulitin, di nakakasawa talaga. So hanggang dito lang ko mga idol, maraming salamat. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video, pakishare na lang mga idol ha. Maraming salamat at ingat po kayo lagi.